We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with CVNA stock, Carvana stock, continuing the staircase effect here and fighting to stay above the $23 area and breaking out to newer highs, breaking yesterday's resistance level. And we're going to talk about the key levels to watch going into tomorrow, but it wasn't the only stock pushing up higher. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 9:50 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength there on 42 vision. And call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with CVNA stock doing a full transition so far from red bars to bright green bars and holding itself up above the 2350 area. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow and what's going on with the inflow versus outflow, bull and bear indicators, and what the data is showing. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:10 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with CVNA stock doing a full transition from red bars to dark green and from red bars to bright green bars in today's volatility after doing a full transition from bright green to red bars on 42 vision. Now, if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with CVNA stock back under a bull indicator since yesterday at 2350 area. And we talked about how important it was as a support level, but the inflows had not crossed over just yet. And it was going to be crucial and critical for those inflows to cross over after canceling that bear indicator from up here at $26 and that outflow crossover the day before. Well, inflows crossed over today, found support above 2350 and took off to newer highs today, hitting highs up here of nearly $26, right? Up here at the 25.90 area, and now it's consolidating here, trying to fight to get back up there at the 25.59 mark in the post-market hours. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the key levels to watch going into tomorrow, and it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to stay above the midpoint. I'm going to be watching that very carefully and closely going into tomorrow. And the data also shows here how the days to cover continues to go higher at 1.4, and the short interest percentage float is 64%. And we could see here in the behavior of short shares availability, it was 3 hours ago at 0, and now at 10,000 just about 22 minutes ago. And the highest it was 9 hours ago at 300,000 and 150,000, right? So something to not ignore there is the short shares availability is fluctuating. That days to cover is getting tighter for those shorts, and the stock is going higher, guys. And the higher this goes, the higher the possibility of shorts having to cover and possibly getting trapped in their positions if they're shorting down here and the stock is going higher. And we could see these inflows dominating again, not just here on the 1 hour, but also here on the 30-minute, right? These inflows crossed over yesterday, slight outflow crossover, crossed back up and hitting highs up here so far of 1.9 of inflows, and full transition from the dip area to the rip area yesterday, and a continuation today, guys. And this is crucial and critical to not ignore. That's in the process of a staircase effect. And here we have it up above 25.50, and same thing here on the 15-minute, right? Slight outflows in the second half, but inflows cross back over. Bull indicator here at 23.60 area, and inflows are fighting to stay above at 0.50, even though they're red. And this is going to be critical and crucial going into tomorrow for it to switch from red to green if the bulls are going to have any further strength here in these charts, and hopefully it can reflect from the 15-minute into the 30-minute and 1 hour. Now, what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first thing is support, guys, and that's $25 area. Below that is the $24 area, and then below that level, if these outflows cross over to the downside on the 30-minute and on the 15-minute, as it's really close, I would not ignore that. I'll be watching that very carefully going into tomorrow's volatility. Well, the next support below that is down at the 23.50 area, a crucial area of support, and where the bull indicator popped up yesterday, right? And then to the upside, if these inflows can continue to the upside with strength, not just here on the 30-minute, but also here on the 1 hour chart, pulling away from the midpoint, and on the 15-minute, switching it from red to green, staying above the midpoint as it is, and going ahead and turning into green, pushing up back to retest those highs of inflows here of 1.8, or even going higher to start reflecting that strength into these charts. Well, the first resistance is $26, and then above that, based off the history of the chart, is the $28 area. And if that gets broken through, we'll have to reassess and see what's going on at those higher levels. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and these inflow versus outflows as the 1 hour and the 30-minute are back above and green, and on the 15-minute it is above. It has turned red, and it's going to be crucial to stay above the midpoint, not cross to the downside, because if it does, it can quickly start to reflect that weakness into these charts, possibly cancel out this bull indicator with a possible bear indicator. And if it doesn't, well, we want to see it stay above and turn from red to green, pulling upwards, pulling away from that midpoint, and reflecting that strength into the 30-minute and 1 hour charts as well. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.